It was really fun in the starting when we were actually making food, we were exercising and everything. So I know you want to come home, but because there is a lockdown, stay there. I don't feel you should come. Like, okay. So, the sense of relief and the feeling when I saw those people eating those rotis were, I think I never had that feeling before.
All right, guys, my name is
How are you?
Rajat Shukla, and today we have with us the very beautiful, the actress who gives us the sense of divinity. We have with us Shivya Pathania.
But yeah, thank
All
you
right.
for the beautiful introduction.
All my pleasure.
What did you
How's it
say?
all going?
Yeah, it's nice. Everything is okay now. Yeah. I've started going out with precautions, with the new normal. So it's quite okay.
So, how does your day look like?
See, I have been traveling from the red zone, which is Mumbai, to Umargaon, which is a green zone. So I have stayed there for 20 days. So I think I got out of this my home where I was staying alone. So I got tired of it. I won't lie. It was really fun in the starting when we were actually making food, we were exercising and everything. But later on, what I understood is that freedom is nowhere but in your own mind. If you feel free from your mind, you'll relax, you'll feel that you're free. Otherwise, आप कहीं पे भी चले जाओ यार, आपको शायद दुनिया की सबसे सुंदर जगह मिलेगी, पर अगर आप यहाँ से stay नहीं हो, you're not gonna feel free. So my day is just, अभी मैं वापस आई हूँ, so it's good. Like I wake up, I do my yoga, meditation, I exercise, and then I plan my day.
This is the time when we really got time to do things that might be we didn't do during our normal schedules. So, what were the things that you'd like to do in this lockdown?
See, I was always very fascinated with this term meditation, because my father, he does a lot of meditation. He's into a lot of things that I don't even know. So my friend used to tell me that do meditation and everything, and I used to think like, okay, but how can I just sit still and do all of that? But then I understood that it's not just, it's very important for our generation to understand that meditation is actually really cool. It's basically being in the present moment and enjoying. Now I really enjoy it, and now I have actually started living the moments. That is one thing. And I wanted to read a lot of books because I love reading. So I read a lot of books. And these were the things that I didn't get time to do. And I pampered myself. I look at my hair, which I'm going to cut now. But yeah, all of these things, like taking care of yourself, talking to friends on video calls, all of that. Yeah.
Wonderful. And what about the family? Now there's some family time you might be getting.
Yeah, that is extremely funny, Rajat, because I was about to go to Shimla. I am from Shimla on 21st of March. But my father is really, he's very disciplined and very follow the rules. So he was he told me this one line that your duties should not overcome your emotions. So I know you want to come home, but because there is a lockdown, stay there. I don't feel you should come. Like, okay. It's been 5 months now. I'm in Mumbai because then lockdown happened. So many things happened. I couldn't go only. And now today things have started. But yes, I am going to go in 10 days. I'll go back home. I'm going to travel Himachal. And yes, I think I'll have to be in quarantine for a few days there. So yes, so I haven't met my family, but I am happy, safe, and there must be some reason, because you never know. You are going from a red zone. You never know what you are carrying with you.
Initially when this lockdown began, there were people who were in need somehow, you can say, and then you were seen along with Kinshuk. You were helping them. What were you feeling at that time?
Okay, so what happened that I don't see a lot of news, but yes, in the starting when the pandemic happened, because of Modi ji, we helped a lot of people. Like I helped the people who are working with me. We gave them all the payments and everything, whatever they needed. After some time, one day, I actually saw some news where a girl was crying because she couldn't go to Kolkata and she was crying because she left her place in Mumbai and she didn't have money. She was like what, 23, 24? She was crying. That was the day I did not sleep, and that was the day I was actually thinking that what am I doing? What can I do? Because it's not just about money, because how much money will you give? Because right now we all need to survive for some time. So one day I saw this NGO Upasna. So Dipti is the owner. She posted something that we are feeding the people who are traveling to their hometowns. So you need to make 50 or 100 rotis at home.
Wow.
So a person can make that.
Right.
So at that time when I saw that post, I was like, okay, I can do that. If it's just not about money, I can make rotis. I make rotis for myself. So I told Kinshuk about it. So we both decided that we'll buy the atta and everything, and we'll help each other in that. So we made rotis in the morning. He helped me with getting the ration and everything. I made like around 60 rotis. So the sense of relief and the feeling when I saw those people eating those rotis were, I think I never had that feeling before. We all are running behind finding love and thinking that we have that one partner. But I think giving love is much more divine than getting love. So yes, I did that, and then I got in contact with the House of Artisans. जो Indian artisans हैं, कारीगर होते हैं जो they had nothing to do, so I got in contact with them. So जितना मैं अपनी तरफ से कर सकती थी मैंने वो किया. And I think एक टाइम था जो बोलते थे कि नेकी कर और कुएं में डाल. मतलब if you're they used to say that if you're doing if you're doing the charity, your left hand should not know what your right hand is doing. But this is not the time. I think this is not the time. This is the time where you make use of your social media, tell people that these are the people who need help, so that everyone can come together. So these were the things that I think it made me more human, and it made me realize that though we are a generation which is really very confused to follow the traditions or not follow, to be cool or not cool, but what we want to be is human first. So yes, I think humanity is one thing that I learned during this lockdown the most.
Apart from this lockdown might have even given you a good amount of time, you and Kinshuk. So how was that?
Obviously, Kinshuk is shooting. He's a very, very good friend of mine, and we share a very good bond. And he stays with his family, and I stay alone. So during the lockdown, we were actually following the rules. We did not meet. We met around, we did not meet because we had to follow the rules. If we will not follow, how will people follow? The people who followed us. So we did not meet, and after that, yes, when he started shooting, that was the time when I went to Umargaon. Yes, we did spend, because it's a green zone, so we did spend some time together. But it was basically, I think this was the time to grow alone. But I now realize the people whom I used to call every day, the people who are really close to me now, I know I'm more sure of people now after the pandemic. Like, not after the pandemic, I'm saying it's still there.
Yeah, I mean, during the pandemic, yes.
During the pandemic. It should just go. I think we are tired of listening this. It should just go. When will it go?
So, जाते जाते जो दर्शक हैं, आपके fans हैं, audiences हैं, इनको क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
The one thing that is patent and we all say is be safe, stay home, only go out if you really wish to. But I know we all have to work also. Take care of your parents and sanitize. These are the things that you know now. But pray for me, and I know, keep me in your prayers, and help the ones in need. And what else? Stay happy, stay in the moment. This moment mein koi problem nahi hai. So stay in the moment and be happy.
All right, Shivya, it was a pleasure talking to you. Thanks for being here.
It was really pleasure. Dimag ki dahi bhalla nahi hua. It was really nice.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so guys, this was Rajat Shukla signing off from Telechakkar. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.